Hi there, and welcome to the Byline, where we discuss the strategies and technologies that are transforming business finance management. I'm Chris, and today I'll be talking about how nonprofit organizations can simplify spend management. If you're on the finance team at a nonprofit and you're constantly worried that a simple purchasing mistake could put a critical grant at risk, this episode is for you. For nonprofits, every single dollar counts. But managing that money comes with a unique set of challenges that for profit companies just don't have to deal with. You're facing strict grant compliance, the need for absolute transparency to maintain donor trust, and the constant pressure of audits, all while operating with limited administrative resources. Trying to manage all of this manually leads to compliance risks and administrative burnout. But there is a better way. The right spend management software can transform your operations from a source of stress into a strategic asset. Today, we're going to walk through everything you need to know to choose the best platform for your nonprofit. I'll cover the must-have features and explain the critical difference between reactive expense tracking and proactive spending control. First, let's quickly break down those unique nonprofit challenges. Number one is managing restricted funds and grant compliance. A huge portion of your funding likely comes with strings attached, designated for specific programs or categories. Manually tracking this is labor intensive, and a single mistake can jeopardize future funding. Number two is maintaining donor trust. Donors expect to see exactly how their contributions are being used to support the mission. Without clear visibility, you risk damaging that trust. Number three is audit readiness. Nonprofits live under a microscope. When auditors ask for documentation, you need a clean, clear digital trail for every dollar spent. Scrambling to pull together receipts and invoices from a dozen different places just won't cut it. And finally, limited resources. Your team is dedicated to your mission. Time spent following up on approvals or fixing data entry errors is time stolen directly from the work that makes an impact. So, what's the solution? A spend management platform designed to solve these specific problems. But not all software is created equal. Here are the non-negotiable features you should look for. First, granular budget and fund tracking. You need the ability to create and manage budgets for specific grants, funds, or projects, and to assign expenses to them at the moment of purchase, not weeks later during reconciliation. Second, automated approval workflows. You can build rules into the system that automatically route purchase requests to the right person for approval based on the amount, department, or grant. This ensures every purchase is compliant before it even happens. Third, comprehensive reporting and audit trails. Your platform should generate detailed reports with just a few clicks. This turns audit preparation from a months-long process into a simple afternoon task. Fourth, it has to be user-friendly. Whether it's a full-time employee or a part-time volunteer, the system must be intuitive. If the official process is the easiest one, people will actually follow it. And fifth, integration with your accounting software. The platform must sync seamlessly with tools like QuickBooks or NetSuite to eliminate manual reconciliation and keep your general ledger accurate. Now, you'll find a few different types of tools on the market. Some focus only on expense management with virtual cards. These are good for controlling how much is spent, but they don't give you much visibility into what was actually bought until after the fact. Others focus on AP automation, which streamlines paying invoices, but doesn't help you control the purchasing decisions that created those invoices in the first place. The most effective solution for a nonprofit is an all-in-one platform that unifies the entire process, from the initial purchase request to the final payment. This is where a catalog-first system comes in. And instead of just giving someone a virtual card with a budget and hoping they buy the right thing, a platform like order.co allows you to create a curated catalog of pre-approved items from your approved vendors. This means you can ensure that only compliant, mission-approved items are available for purchase. You can guide users to your preferred, cost-effective suppliers. And best of all, you can pre-code every single item in the catalog with the correct grant or GL code. When an employee adds an item to their cart, the compliance and coding is already done. This completely eliminates manual errors, automates fund allocation, and makes your reporting flawless. It shifts control from a reactive, after the fact review to a proactive, before the purchase system. That is the level of control and peace of mind that nonprofits truly need. Centralizing everything, from the initial purchase in a guided marketplace to automated payments on the back end, means you get a real-time 360-degree view of all your organization's spending. No more rogue spending and no more compliance surprises, so your finance team can finally focus on strategy. So, as you evaluate solutions, ask yourself, does this tool help me react to spending, or does it help me control it from the very beginning? For nonprofits, the answer to that question makes all the difference. Thanks for listening. If you found this episode helpful, be sure to follow The Byline to learn more about how to practice proactive spend management.